Stay with me, let's build this drone together. Here's a quick recap. We visited this website, scrolled through the list of planes, selected our plane, downloaded the plan, and we proceeded to make our sketches. Today, we are going to be creating the template from our sketches. So I got our sketch from the last drawing. From the drawing, I cut out the shape of the plane in order to make our template. Here's my process. You have to cut carefully. Advise use a scissors. It's better than using the razor or any other sharp object. Scissors does the job best. So here I'm just trimming the edges. That's our template. So we take our template, we paste it on a styrofoam. Those were done behind the cameras, but this our cutout after sticking the paper template on styrofoam and cutting it out. This is me applying hot glue to stick the parts together. So after creating two halves of the aircraft shape, that's the right and the left templates, I glued the tail end together. Then I cut out a V-shaped pattern out of styrofoam, which I used to create the thickness of the plane, starting from the back forward. So it's a continuation of that process. Okay, here I'm done with the airframe. As you can see, this is the airframe, completed airframe. So I used two metal rods as support for the wings. As you can see, the material used here is styrofoam, so it's not really firm. So in order to keep the structure straight, I used two metal rods. I actually got this from a hanger, right? So you can use any piece of metal, a tiny piece of metal that will not be too bulky, that's going to keep the shape of the aircraft. And here's the finished product. So follow, like, and subscribe.